biggest environmental issues in India. Air pollution remains one of India's most pressing environmental issues in 2024. Despite global efforts to curb emissions, India continues to face a severe air quality crisis. According to the latest data, India still has some of the most polluted cities in the world, with New Delhi often ranking among the worst. The dangerous levels of PM2.5 particles, tiny pollutants less than 2.5 micrometers in size, are alarmingly high across the country. In many cities, PM2.5 levels are more than 10 times the safe limit set by the World Health Organization. These particles are primarily caused by vehicular emissions, industrial activities, crop burning, and coal-powered energy plants, with coal continuing to be a major part of India's energy mix. In fact, India remains the third largest carbon emitter globally, contributing over 2.7 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide every year. Although the COVID-19 lockdowns in 2020 briefly improved air quality, pollution levels quickly rebounded. By 2023, PM2.5 levels had risen again, causing severe health risks. Prolonged exposure to such pollutants has been linked to respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, contributing to millions of premature deaths each year. Recent studies estimate that air pollution in India causes over 1.6 million deaths annually, making it one of the leading environmental health threats. The situation in 2024 has become more dire, with extreme weather conditions, like heat waves and droughts, worsening the impact of pollution. During the winter months, Delhi and other northern cities continue to experience hazardous air quality, forcing governments to shut down schools, restrict construction, and close several coal plants temporarily. India's dependence on coal, combined with rapid urbanization and industrial growth, makes fighting air pollution an ongoing challenge. While the government has introduced clean energy initiatives and stricter emission norms, the progress has been slow. In 2024, India's air pollution crisis highlights the urgent need for stronger policies, widespread adoption of clean technologies, and a shift toward renewable energy sources to protect both public health and the environment.